Thinking of buying from Claire Jewellery? The ads show cute, minimalist pieces at crazy low prices. But is it actually worth it or just another sketchy online store? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast, so I left a link at the description box that you can check so you can follow how I do this. Claire Jewelry claims to sell affordable luxury-inspired pieces such as rings, necklaces, earrings, all very Pinterest worthy. The site looks clean and the discounts are hard to ignore. But over on Trustpilot, it's not looking great. Lots of one-star reviews mention long shipping times, poor quality jewelry, no replies from customer service, and an order that never show up. Some buyers say the pieces tarnish fast or look nothing like the photos. Others try to get refunds and never heard back. Classic red flags. And the site pushes urgency, fake countdowns, and almost sold out banners to get you to buy fast, which is always a little sus. So is Claire Jewelry legit? It's a real store, but with all the bad reviews and shady practices, it feels like a risky bet. If you care about quality and service, you might want to look elsewhere. Try Claire Jewelry yourself? Was it worth it or a total fail? Drop a comment below and hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.